Hello everybody, my name is Chris, or Beat the Markets on eToro. I've got a little bit of time, so I thought I'd do another video looking at yesterday's economic reports and a quick look at the expectations for Thor Industries, which are reporting today before the market open. So looking at yesterday's reports, so that's Monday the 5th of June, we had the UK Services PMI, which is a measure of the services sector. A reading above 50 would be expansionary, and obviously a reading below 50 would be contractionary. So the Services PMI for the UK came in at 55.2. The consensus estimate was for 55.1, and the prior was 55.9. So a slight slowdown from the previous, but marginally better than the estimate. The report highlighted that job creation had eased and that input inflation had edged up, mainly due to rising staff wages. In terms of the US, we had the Composite PMI and Services PMI. So the Composite, which looks at manufacturing as well as services, came in at 54.3, ever so slightly below the consensus estimate of 54.5. And above the previous month. This has been showing good growth into expansionary territory from prior months. The Global Services PMI came in at 54.9. Again, that was below or slightly below market expectations, but above the prior month as well. The ISM Services PMI, however, fell to 50.3. This one is a measure of basically every other sector apart from manufacturing and services. The prior read was 51.9, so that's the fifth consecutive month of expansion. I would say actually that a reading of 50.3 isn't even expansionary. The report highlighted a fall in pricing pressures, but also suggests a slowing in demand, with business activity falling, along with new orders and export orders. Employment also contracted. And the chair of the ISM Services Business Survey, Anthony Neves, said that the majority of respondents indicated that business conditions are currently stable. However, there are concerns relating to a slowing in the economy. The other one worth mentioning was factory orders. Factory orders rose by 0.4%, but the consensus was for a 0.8%. So it missed market expectations, and it's also a fall from the prior 0.6%. Defence spending, as you might expect, was quite strong. If we exclude defence spending, orders fell by 0.4% on an annual basis. In terms of earnings, today we have Thor Industries reporting before the market opens. The expectation for Thor is for them to report an earnings per share of $1.13 on revenue of $2.86 billion. Now, last quarter, the expectation was for them to report an earnings per share of $1.10, and they only reported 50 cents. So that was quite a big miss last quarter, and I think the market is probably expecting the same. In terms of forward guidance, I would like to see Thor guide above $6. Last quarter, they reduced their guidance to $5.50 to $6.50. So it'll be interesting to see if anything changes this quarter. I'll probably do a video summarising their press release and anything mentioned in the conference call tomorrow. But other than that, that's all I have for today. So I hope you have a good day. Let's hope the markets have a good day. And I will hopefully see you tomorrow.